Welcome! In this walkthrough, we're going to complete a Python script that takes a user's number as input and prints its multiplication table from 1 to 10. First, we use input to get the number from the user. Since input reads data as a string, we wrap it in int to convert it into an integer so we can perform math on it. Next, we set up a for loop using range 1 to 11. In Python, range start/stop includes the starting number, but stops right before the ending number. So 1 through 11 gives us the values 1 through 10. Inside the loop, we use an f string to format the output. The number variable inserts our initial input. I inserts the current multiplier, and number times I calculates the product on the fly. When we run the code with the sample input 10, the loop executes 10 times, generating the exact multiplication table required by the prompt.